Good morning student. In this video I am going to start the explanation chapter 1 tissue in biology. Okay. So first we should know that what are the cells. Simply cells are the structural and functional unit of all living beings. Means all living organisms whether plants or animals are made up of cells. Okay, like in this is animal cell, this one is plant cell. These structure you have studied in class 6. Okay, so what we know all living organism whether they are plant or animals, they all are made up of cells. And so student, basically these cells are present in all living organism whether they are animal or plant. Okay, whereas in some case, means some organisms they are made up of single cell, they are known as unicellular organism, while others are made up of many cells and they are known as multicellular organism. Okay, like in unicellular organism, a single cell, okay, a single cell perform all basic functions of the life, like amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas. These all are unicellular organism and their whole body is represented by a single cell and hence they are known as unicellular organism. Whereas in multicellular organisms, like human beings, okay, like human beings, we are multicellular organism. Different group of cells perform different functions, means we are having different or many cells and that is why we are known as multicellular organism. However students, that unicellular जो organisms होते हैं, they are microscopic in nature, means we can't see them without using a microscope, whereas जो multicellular organisms होंगे, they are clearly visible to us. Okay, so basically student, a unicellular organism is represented by a single cell, whereas in multicellular organism different kind of cells are present, like in our body we are having WBCs, smooth muscle cells as well as nerve cells. Okay, then collection of these cells will form our whole body. So during the formation of multicellular organism, the cells differentiate. Okay, a single cell differentiate and assume different shapes, okay, and characteristic which help them to perform different function. Means हमारी body में different cells are there and that is why they are performing various functions, like some are performing digestion, some are performing respiration, some are performing muscular movement. Okay, so student, during a cell differentiation, same kind of cells, okay, same kind of cells means generally the cells of same shape and characteristic, they group together, like these cells are having same shape and performing similar function and that is why they group together. These cells, they are having same structure and that is why they group together and performing similar function. Okay, and so students, during the cell differentiation, generally the cells of same shape and characteristic group together, okay, group together to perform a common function. Then this group of cells is called tissue. So now the group of cells is known as tissue. This one is known as tissue. Okay, group of cells which are having same shape and same characteristic performing a specific function is termed as tissue. All right. So children, in this chapter we will study about the different type of tissues present in plants as well as in animals. So before starting the plant tissue, we should know the level of organization in an organism. For example, first सबसे basic structural and functional units क्या होती है? These are the cells. When same kind of cells combine, they form tissue. Okay, they form tissue. Like here, single cells, these are the single cells and when they group together, they are known as tissues. And when so many tissues combine, they form a organ like in our body, like mouth, like stomach, like a small intestine, like large intestine. When these organs combine, they form our organ system. So what will happen when our mouth, our stomach, our small intestine, our large intestine combine? They form digestive system. Okay, so When different organs combine, they form organ system, and when different organ combine, they form a organism. Means हमारी body में so many systems are there. We are having so many systems, like so many system in the sense we are having respiratory system, we are having digestive system, okay, we are having muscular system, skeletal system, and when these all systems combine, our whole body is formed. Okay student, I hope everything is very clear up to here. In the next class we will discuss plant tissues. Okay, so take care, bye bye.